Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today we will continue block 3 Discoveries in the Past and we will study topic 2 today. Be ready with all your essentials. Take your workbook, content book, and stationery with you and sit with your partner if you have your siblings or your parents. So before starting the block, let's do a quick revision of previous class. So in previous class, we have studied that early humans were very close to the nature. We have studied about the observing the environment. So early humans were very close to the nature. They were dependent on nature for their survival, and they observed the pattern of rainfall to plan the planting of their crops. And which method they used? They used the method of observing things, then questioning and finding solutions. And they, by this observation, they came to know what could be eaten as food in the forest, because everything is not edible. There are some poisonous fruits and vegetables also. So they found that what could be eaten as food, and they found medicinal herbs like ginger and some other medicinal herbs. Medicinal herbs means that the herbs or the plants that possess the properties that can cure illness. Some medicinal herbs like tulsi, aloe vera, black pepper, ginger, etc. And I have asked you a question in previous class, that are we as dependent on the environment today as early humans were? Give two reasons to support your answer. So yes, we are dependent on the environment for food, water, air and sunlight. We have more settled life, we have jobs and many equipments that made our life easier. So we are also dependent on environment for food, water, air and sunlight. So for today's topic, here are some keywords. Egyptians. What is Egyptians? Egyptian is a person who is born or lives in Egypt. Like we live in India, so we are Indian. So people who live or born in Egypt are known as Egyptians. And regular intervals means an equal amount of time between two events. Appearance means come to light. Means appearance means seen by others. Like you appear happy today. And occur means to happen. For example, an event occur means an event happens. So here you can see a calendar of current month. Now answer, why do you think we use a calendar and how does it help us? Think and answer. If you want to think, you can pause the video. Why do you think we use a calendar? How does it help us? So we use a calendar to find out when particular events will occur, when particular events will happen. It helps us to know about the different events like holidays, festivals, special occasions like birthdays, marriages, and well in advance. And it also helps us to make plans. So with the help of a calendar, we can find out when a particular event will occur. It helps us to know about the different events, holidays, festivals, special occasions like birthdays, marriages, and to make further plans. And today we will learn about how the early humans made a calendar. Don't you think it took so many observations and studies of long years to make a calendar, to divide days and month and years? So today we will learn how the early humans made a calendar. Okay? Our aim for today is to explain the observations used by early humans to make a calendar. We will be able to explain the observations used by early humans to make a calendar. Now, here you can see a web chart. See this carefully. You need to copy this web chart on your notebook, and you can color it also. You can fill the colors of your choice. So copy the web chart and read the section origin of calendar and fill in the chart. You have to pause the video. First copy this web chart, and after reading the section you need to fill this chart. You need to fill the natural events that early humans observed to make a calendar. Okay, read the section properly and fill that what were the natural events that early humans observed to make a calendar. Pause the video, complete your activity. I hope you have completed. This is compulsory, you can't skip this activity. Okay, everyone have to complete it. Now answer, after completing your activity, answer, why did early humans want to make a calendar? How did early humans use the moon to make a calendar? Answer that why did early humans want to make a calendar? How did early humans use the moon to make a calendar? So why did early humans want to make a calendar? As we know, early Egyptians observed that the sun, moon and stars appear at regular intervals of time in the sky, and sun, moon and stars are celestial body. Celestial body means related to sky. They are celestial bodies. Means when celestial bodies appear, the time is, there is equal amount of time in their appearance. And they also observed that different seasons occurred after regular time intervals. Means there in two different seasons there is a equal amount of time gap. So they observed these things, and they tried to make a calendar according to these natural events, so that everyone can plan their activities according to the seasons. Okay, so they used calendar to track when the rains would come every year, so that they can plan to plant their crops. And to know when to plant crops, they used the positions of the moon to make a calendar. And here you can see a old calendar. This is engraved on a stone. And early humans used the positions of the moon to make a calendar. Now answer, why did this calendar moon fail? What's the answer? So moon calendar was the earliest calendar. Okay, and calendar moon had 12 months, and each month had 28 or 29 days. So there are less days in a year. And this calendar failed because the cycle of the moon did not show the accurate days in a year. There were less days in a year than the actual number of days in a year. According to the moon calendar, there were less days, but cycle of the seasons occurred at different times of the year and not according to the moon calendar. Means according to the calendar there would be summer season, but in reality, in nature, there is winter season. So seasons arrived at wrong times of the year and not according to the calendar. So calendar moon was failed because the total number of days in a year was less than the actual number of days in a year. And seasons occurred at different times of the year and did not take place as per the calendar. So early humans made a calendar based on the movement of stars or the occurrence of star, a particular star. Answer: how did early humans make a calendar using stars? So Egyptians observed that a particular star, now it is called Sirius or dog star. So the particular Sirius star appeared at a fixed position on a particular day every year. On the same day and at a fixed position. For example, your birthday comes every year on the same day. Okay? Similarly, Sirius star appeared at a fixed position on a particular day every year. And the day occurred every year during the time river Nile was flooded with water. During the time of the year when river Nile was flooded with water, this Sirius star also appeared in the sky. Which time? During the time when river Nile was flooded with water. And Egyptians counted the days between two appearances of Sirius. So the days between two appearances of Sirius was 365. For example, your birthday comes every year. So the days between your two birthdays are 365. Similarly, Sirius stars also occur on the same day and at a fixed position on after regular intervals, and the days between two appearances of Sirius stars was 365. Here, bonus question for you. Question is, why did early humans need to make a calendar? Now answer, what natural events did early humans observe to make a calendar? What's your answer? So, to make calendar, early humans observed some natural events like seasons. Different seasons occurred after regular time intervals, and the moon, stars and different seasons, and river Nile to make a calendar. And this helped them plan many of their activities, such as growing crops according to the time of rainfall and according to the suitable season for the crops. Now answer, why is the 365-day calendar based on the movement of the earth around the sun? And what causes season? Revolution of the earth causes seasons. And the time taken by the earth to move around the sun is fixed. The time is 1 year. Earth takes 1 year to complete one revolution, and revolution causes season. So this way the seasons came in the same month year after year. That's why the 365-day calendar based on the movement of the earth around the sun. So this is about origin of calendar. After watching the video, read the topic origin of calendar and do PQ 3 and 4. Finish your S2. This is your S2. Question 1. Tick the correct statement. Early humans needed a calendar to mark festivals, know about their birthdays, plan for the planting of crops. Question 2. Explain how the given observations were used by early humans to make a calendar. Appearance of the moon and appearance of the star Sirius. You need to write the features about how, means what they observed about the moon, and what were the features of the calendar. Next question is, Egyptians could develop an accurate calendar made on the observation of a star which appeared after 365 days. What do you think Egyptians were successful? Why do you think Egyptians were successful? Why do you think the calendar based on the stars was successful? What was the reason? Think and answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt in the comment section. And what we have studied today, we have studied that how the early humans observed the nature or events of nature and invent a calendar. So they observed that sun, moon, stars and seasons appear at regular intervals. On the seasons occur at the same time every year. So they made the calendar according to these events. And first they made the calendar that based on the positions of moon. So moon calendar had 12 months and each month had 28 or 29 days. And what were the disadvantages of this calendar? That seasons arrived at wrong time of the year and not according to the moon calendar. And the star Sirius appeared at fixed time on a fixed position every year. And on this day, River Nile was flooded with water. On which day? The day when Sirius star appeared at a fixed position on a particular day every year. And day between two such appearances of Sirius star were 365. So they made a calendar according to this event. This is about origin of calendar. You can read the topic again and complete your workbook only after reading the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless.